Oh, so okay, I'm here. My bad. Oh, are you talking to me or? Oh, you okay? So you're live. Okay, I see. Okay, let's gamble, baby. Oh, no problem, man. No problem. We understand. Uh, Dang. So the market straight up moved up last night. Like, I hate when I just like, you know what? I really don't want to deal with the market, and the market just does this crap. I hate it so much. It's not fair. Yeah, that's probably the move that we should have got last night.
The one spot that the one spot that or the one time that Bears could come in and feel safe. They can't even feel safe in pre-market
Pre-market is not safe. This is looking like a bear flag, though. This is looking like a freaking bear flag. Uh, what I'm looking for? Hopefully, we can get a drop to 345. I'm hoping we can get a drop to 345 because I think we can go long from there. That's what I'm thinking. And the same thing for ES. I'm thinking that if we can get a drop to around like 83, 82, yeah, that'll actually be very, very good. And then a bounce. Um,
Ooh, that's a good spot. Take a long, especially on NFP. I remember what was the last thing that came out that
mhm.
was pretty wild? It missed my entry by like 2 ticks or something like that. Because I was gonna take it long. Like it dropped and then popped.
Mhm.
Oh, so upset.
Mhm. Okay. All right. So I'm live. I'm live now. We're gonna gamble NFP. We're gonna just do this for like the next 15 minutes or something like that. Okay, so I got this Top Step account for this, but I will be trading it on. I'll be taking my trades in the sim on NinjaTrader 8 because I hate trading Top Step X now again because it doesn't
We
let me keep
live.
my drawings.
Live, baby. Oh, you just
Yeah,
gonna
I'm gonna
play
keep this
sim?
one. All right. No, 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 no. So I'm a trade in Top Step X, but I'm going to try to replicate my trades as much as possible. Well, I mean, I guess I just hate trading on this damn thing now because it keeps deleting my drawings. It keeps messing up my charts. I just hate it now. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened between it was actually decent to now. I guess what I could do is um I guess really mark on the charts where I want to get in. So I kind of want to get in at this 45 level. So I'm just gonna mark that on here. Just mark this range real quick. 295, 415. There we got 5 minutes before. So let me just replicate this on here. Oh crap! You heard about Apex? They closed their Discord down. You heard about that? You seen that?
No. Oh, speaking of Apex, real quick, I got a PSA. I am no longer endorsing them. Matter of fact, I took them off my freaking what you would call it. The heck is that?
Your affiliate links.
Yeah, well, I forgot to delete it out the description, but I took it off of the overlay. That's what I'm looking. OBS overlay. I took them off. I'm not endorsing them anymore or promoting affiliates for them anymore. Nothing. Just because, yeah, they just been moving kind of crazy lately. They've been moving kind of crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm done with them. Done promoting them. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go in there and delete it out the description because I forgot to take it off. I was just surprised my
Yeah,
stream.
I've been stopped promoting them.
Yeah, I was just surprised my stream would even run. And it's looking like it's having some issues right now too. Guys, this internet sucks.
Okay, so we got. Oh, so you're on YouTube right now too? Or are you on?
I am. I'm on. Yeah, on both. I mean, I ain't gonna place no trade after this, especially not the initial
Huh.
release. Cause uh-uh.
I said why not?
Why not? Heck no. I got this 50K. I gotta pass. Hell
Oh
no.
no no. I'm not gambling. Dude, I'm not gambling. Any real account. This is a Top Step X account that I bought specifically to gamble. That's why I was like, why not? Like, why not just get an account just so you can gamble it, not use a real account that you worked hard in, but just like an account that you're gambling in.
Nah, yeah, no. I feel you.
Okay.
If you bought it specifically for that, hey, go for it. Good luck, baby.
Oh shit. Like I said, hopefully we can get price to drop into this range and we can buy it. 475, 475, 455. Yeah, it looks like these ranges working out perfectly, yo. 475, 455. Okay. 475, 455. Turn the screen real quick. How many? Oh shit, I only got like a
I
minute.
got 40
All right, guys. I
seconds.
mean, we're just gonna have to be blue. All blue.
Got 40
All
seconds.
right, so let's see, baby. Let's see what we're gonna get. Is this gonna be a bull flag or a dump? All right, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dump. Dump.
Dump.
Man, dude,
Niggas dump.
if we get a price to drop above this, if they dump below this, we dumping them.
3, 2, 1. Yo.
That's not even fair. That's not even fair. That's not even
Yo.
fair.
Yo.
Yo, yo, that's not even fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Hold on. Whoa.
Yo.
Yeah, hold on. Yo, what happened? Yo, I just got DL. Yo, what just happened? I wasn't even in a. Yo, we got that shit recorded. We got that recorded. Yo, I wasn't even in a position. I wasn't even in a position.
That's crazy. How you not even in a position and you get
Yo, I wasn't even in a position. Yo, oh, okay, that's crazy. I wasn't even in a position. I closed it out. I closed. Top step. Y'all gonna have to give me my damn account back, yo. Y'all gonna give me my account back. Yo, that's not fair. That's not even fair. That's not fair. Yeah, I closed the position out, and I got DLL. Like, what the? Like, what is that? Top step. Yeah, that's funny. That is hilarious. Okay, so we all know what the market's going to do today. We all know that the market's going to go up. All right, so unemployment up. Well, shit, I don't know. It's saying that previously it was 272K. So obviously it went down, but it was still better than expected. Average earnings year over year was came in at expected. Private payrolls came under expectation. Average hours per week came in at. So I mean, everything came in pretty much as expected. Yeah, everything came in pretty much as expected. So I don't know, but top step, y'all gonna give me my damn account back, yo. What the fuck? Y'all gonna give me my account?
That is hilarious. I'm sorry. Wait, so you were in a position beforehand, or what?
So, so not only did I get a crappy fill, I mean, I guess whatever, dude. Because I put it literally underneath this range, and I got filled all the way towards the bottom at like around 396. Let's actually look at the trades, man. So I was like, dude, if it goes beneath this range, it's gonna dump. But obviously I had the bad fill, and so when I saw it go against me, I closed out the position, and then it jumped up, and it said that I hit daily loss limit, and I was like, how? I wasn't even in a position. How did it do that? I closed out my position before we got this major green candle to the upside. So I don't know how the hell they did that.
You got you got caught in that volatility, I guess. I mean, it jumped and jumped.
I wasn't even like I get that. I get the volatility. I wasn't even in a position. I had nothing on the board.
Yeah, that's
Like
wild.
like if you watch the replay, yeah, if you watch the replay, you'll see that I closed my position out. I had nothing on the board, and then we had that massive pump, and then I got DLL'd. Ow. So yeah, Todd's about to get my damn account back because that's crazy. That is crazy.
You know what's even crazier? It
But I
bounced. It
what's
bounced
that?
in that same area from yesterday and Wednesday. That same area. It almost basically touched the
Hmm.
previous 371, except it missed it by a couple points.
Hmm.
So if you just set an order there and it hit and then pump back up,
The way this thing is looking, yeah, we might have a red day today, guys. We may have a red day. We'll see. I mean, we all know that these Bears have just been super freaking weak, but I think we have a red day today. Because actually, I'm about to take this off. I'm gonna take that off. Honestly, I might just stay in this position all day, man. I might just stay in this position all day. Like if I don't get stopped out, I'm probably just stay in it because I think today is just gonna be one of those days where the market can potentially just grind to the downside. But obviously at New York Open, we'll get a better idea of what the market really wants to do. But this is what I see. I see this range, and I see a sweep of liquidity going up. We broke down, and we're continuing to go down. So actually, let me rephrase that because I said that wrong. Because first the market did this, and then it did this. And now we're seeing that slow grind down that I was talking about yesterday that I was going to be looking out for. So right now the market is slowly grinding. So we'll see. if that's what the market chooses to do for the rest of the day. We've got all the EMAs sitting right here. And this is another indication that I like to look to see where VWAP is, the 21, the 50, and the 200. And if you look, just like what you said, it bounced right off of that same area, and it bounced off of that 200 EMA. So we'll see if the Bulls going to keep this, man. We'll see. We will see if the Bulls will come back from this. But yeah, we'll see. But what's crazy is I had 15 micro contracts and somehow lost 3K. Somehow lost 3K. I don't understand how I did that. You can't even lose, you can't make 3K like that on a regular day. And only how many points did it pump up? Because on one contract, if it pumped up 100 points, that's only 2K. So that means it had to have pumped up more than 100 points in that move. But I was, like I said, I was well out of that position. Yeah, so how big this move was? This was 495 was the high. Oh yeah, today's gonna be a red day, dude. This shit touched 495. This is gonna be red. That means I would have had to been. I would have like, even though like the math's not even making sense. Like Top Step's gonna give me my damn account back, yo. They're gonna give me my account back.
Yeah.
That don't even make sense.
Moxie said Top Step X can't handle any news, let alone NFT. Oh, that is funny.
Yeah, because I only have 15 micro contracts, 15 times 2, and I had did I do that right? No, I didn't do that right. So it was even less than 100 points. So even if I had less than 100 points times 2 times 15, okay, okay, but still, they're gonna get my account back, god damn it, because I was not in no position.
You sure you aren't in a
You said,
position?
I mean, sure, you can look at the replay, man. I like, dude, I got out as soon as I got out as soon before that pump happened. But that's even if I was even at the bottom. My fill was somewhere. My fill was somewhere. Where was it at? Yeah, okay, yeah, it was probably the 95. But I got out before this pump happened, though. I was out before that. Yeah, today's definitely. I think we're gonna get a red day. I think we're about to drop. But okay. Well, you gonna keep streaming?
As long as I can. I mean, as long as the stream holds up and doesn't affect any trades or anything. Oh, speaking of which, Take Profit actually counted my days for
Okay.
yesterday
All right.
and Wednesday. So I'm at 4 days
Oh,
from
for real?
my last day. Yeah. I was like, yo, that's what's up.
Mm. Well, shit. As long as you get the, I mean, shit. You already passed the account, right? You're just waiting for the days, the requirements for the days.
Yeah, I passed the 150K one. I'm working on the 50K, but I was trying to do it like $600 a day on the 50K.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Those consistent profit targets, yeah, over time, they work. They just suck, but they do work, and it's easily to get because, like, I mean, in this trade right here, I think the high was like $900 or something like that, and if this was one of the accounts that we was following, I would have been got out of this one. How many points was that? Because honestly, I think this probably was like what 45 points or something. 463, and it got to it's about like 30 points. Yeah.
Rosella told you to contact support. You'll get a response by next Friday. Oh, is it that bad for their support?
Yeah, it's pretty bad, man. All these prop firms, their support team kind of. I mean, I understand they got to do. I mean, I get it. I get it. I mean, you got to deal with a lot of people with different levels of what's the correct term I want to use? Understanding of how this game is played, and a lot of people just ask a lot of foolish questions. They do. I mean, let's just be honest. They ask a lot of foolish questions, and you can't really retain a lot of people in support like that. So when Top Step was smaller, yeah, their support they had a small staff and their support team was great. Then they got a little bit bigger with their reduced fees. They got more customers, and yeah, it's stressful.
Yeah, they did not plan that out well. If they was gonna do that, they knew they should have
Nah,
beefed up their support ahead of time.
yeah, yeah. There was a point in time where you can call Top Step support and actually get your questions to your answers or answers to your questions. Now I should try to call them up now. They won't answer your call until like you said, next Friday or next year in 2030 or in 2030 or something like that.
Yeah,
You can't call them now.
that's wild.
Yeah. But okay, that was exciting, guys. And I think honestly, this is a good showcase of why you don't ever gamble an account that you worked hard for during news. I mean, I think that's like a great showcase of that. Um, but all right, guys, I'm gonna end this right here. I have to get some stuff done before I actually can really focus on the stream. I just wanted to kind of gamble this. Yeah, Smith still has his stream up, so if y'all guys want to join his stream, if you're already joined here over there. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here, and I'll be back around 8:30. But all right, guys, it was fun. I'll see you in 8:30. Peace out.
All right, bro. Yeah, I'll still be on it. Sure, holds out.
Really? What's up with that?
What's up or what? Yeah, I'm not looking to really trade anything right now. I'm probably gonna wait till open, see how price dances around right now. See what New York Open wants to do with this. Unless I see a good setup. Unless I see a good setup.
That is crazy.
All right, let's go shorts. We in the shorts, baby. I told y'all the plan I took probably would have been a little bit better to take it at VWAP, but we in the shorts, baby. Oh, don't let it bounce here, though. I ain't trying to bounce it at this 50%. Come on, shorts. Tell them no. This is downtrending, though. This is downtrending on this 2000 tick. If we take it to the higher time frame, yeah, this would be perfect if they took it down to this trend line here. Push that stop back up to 450 because he's been trailing this whole time. Yeah, Alfred, you and me both. I don't know. We got to watch out for 405 though. 405 might be a little tricky. I don't like how the Bulls pushing this though off that 50% at 410 level, 411. It is looking kind of like a momentum shift. I'm not really liking this 5 minute chart though, how it's flipping or looking like it wants to flip. But I like the 15 minute and I like the hourly. And it looks like on 5 minute we got a bunch of small time frame demand and as well as demand on the 15 minute. Trying to see if we could take it down there to the low 390s. Question is, will the Bears be strong enough to take it down? Just don't know if they'll be able to do it before market open. Yeah, 5 minute looks like it's about to flip. I'm not really liking the 5 minute chart. At this point, smart thing would probably be to move my stop at break even. But then I feel like it's gonna tag it, and then I'm gonna miss the drop if I do that. And even on this 2000 tick chart, this looks like it's about to flip. I should probably close this. 5 minute looks like it's supposed to flip, and this looks like it wants to flip long. Yeah, we got green cumulative delta coming in. Yeah, this is gonna flip. Let me see what's Brook map looking like. Yup. Unless they gonna sell off a VWAP. Forgot the TickStrike. Whoa, what was that? What was that? Oh, that wasn't even good enough. Oh, what is this? Yeah, this is flipping. Ah, what you think, Alfred? It's risky business. This stuff is like he's gonna pump. Yep. Let's see, I'll sell off, view off here. Yeah, 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 yeah. I should probably cut this too. I don't know if they're gonna. Yeah, Bull's just too strong in these streets. Bull's too strong in these streets. I had what 17 points, something like that. All right, it's gonna sweep that liquidity. That's yep, that's what it's going for. I'm gonna take this off. We're about to open in a couple seconds. I want to see something here. I want to see this. Oh shoot, they done pushed it to 450. All right, 20 seconds.
On your chart, but price is coming into that golden zone right there. So we may see a rejection somewhere in this area, possibly. Or if we can get a breakout, we can probably use this zone as a launching pad. So we'll see.
Yeah, I was looking to see if they're gonna protect 450 area. It's hella buyers right now though.
You know what? Yeah. And we really don't have anything news-wise. All right, so we ran that. So they did kind of use this thing as a well, we'll see. We'll see. We're still in that area. We're not out the water yet. We're still at this high right here. So they're definitely going to have to prove that they want it above these highs. Which is the Bulls. It's not really going to be a surprise, but they still have to prove it. And obviously, well, ooh, hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. The ES is looking like, look at the ES. Look at the ES. The ES ain't following the NASDAQ at all. Huh. I'm so tempted to get into this long right now on ES though, because it does look like it's about to burst too. You know what? I'm gonna take it, man. I'm gonna take it on the ES. I'm gonna take it.
Solid. Yeah. Solid flip.
I used the wrong strategy for. I used the NASDAQ instead of the ES one. All right.
RSI. Ooh. Man, down almost 50 points. Ugh.
Three. But I don't know, man. Like I said, the ES ain't following the NASDAQ. We see this massive pump on NASDAQ, but we ain't seen it on the ES. Actually, you know what? Let me get out of this position right here. I'm gonna get out of it. It's not following it. I'm gonna go short, and then I'm going to. And then if they hold it here at this golden zone, then I'll flip long. But they're not holding it. But we do have a lot of positive CBD on that chart. But on the left hand or the far right, it is negative though. We're like super negative CBD. All right, so that golden zone is coming up. I'm definitely going to protect this. I'm not playing with this golden zone at all. I'm not playing with it.
They could
Probably
potentially
give it some more breathing room. You
bounce.
said what? Yeah, I'm not gonna play with it. But not on the Nasdaq.
You short? Or what are you?
I'm yeah, I'm short right now because it's not following on the net on the ES. See, damn it. Okay, they bounced it at. Okay, all right. So it was good that I did that. They, oh my god, damn, dude. I just want a good
Bias.
entry.
There.
That's it. I just want a good entry. Damn. Yeah, it bounced it right out the golden zone, dude. If you're in this, just be mindful of that. They bounced it right. I mean, they tapped the golden zone and bounced it, man.
And buyers are straight reckless.
But I'm gonna probably still get out of this. I'm not because like this is not the position I wanted. Uh, uh, I mean, I'm gonna still put this right here underneath this, underneath the zone. This is a bad feeling in Nasdaq, but I think the Bulls can at least hit my first target. I think we can get up here. I'm thinking we can. Yo, if you in this short,
He's
dude, they
there.
bounced it off the golden zone, bro. So just be mindful of that. Be mindful. They tapped into it perfectly, man. Perfectly bounced off of that.
Bounced off on 21 too. We got B-Walk right there below. Let's see. Break it. Gotta break it. Gotta break it. Ugh.
Bro,
Too regarded. Look at all this buy.
bro, don't ever go against the yeah, bro. Like don't ever go against the 21 EMA, bro. That shit is the truth.
Look at all
Don't
this
fight the
buy.
21. The
Oh
21
my
is a gangster.
gosh.
The 21 is a gangster too.
All that buy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh no. Oh no. I forgot.
You forgot what?
I forgot about that. Oh damn. I forgot I'm not in 150K. Ah, well that's blown.
Hold on, what account? Hold on, it's not the. Hold on, what account is that? That's not the account that you were done with, right?
Nah, that's the free one I got.
Okay.
Free one I got from them. Damn it. Man, I should have. I saw it too way before any of this.
But honestly, just might reverse a little bit. Nah, I'll just put it right here. I'll just put it back. I'll put it back. But this was a bad fill, and this is and like I said with the Nasdaq, you can get away with so much. This is a bad fill, a horrible fill. But I'm gonna protect this actually. I'm not gonna. Or I mean, if she want to bless your boy with that bad fill. There we go. Hey, that golden zone entry, that shit was perfect, yo. That golden. Hold on, where's the golden zone on your chart? Is it 44 or 447 and 443? Is that where your golden zone is at?
Nah, I don't have that.
Actually, let me just look at your stream. Hold on, give me a second.
Unless if let me see if I redraw it. I don't have that though. Let's see. From top, from the new top to the bottom. Nah, that wouldn't be it either. These were guarded. Well, man, I saw that flipping too. Saw it. I saw it. Did not take action. That's okay.
Sometimes you gotta pop out. Oh, speaking of that, yeah. Oh, yeah. I just watched that. Oh crap. Oh crap. My bad. My bad. Yeah, I just saw that video with Kendrick and Not Like Us video. Now Drake only has himself and DJ Academics to blame for that. I DJ Academics gassed Drake up. He gassed him up. He gassed, and you know it was DJ Academics behind it is because some of the comments that DJ Academics was making on his stream, that's what Drake was using in his diss, talking about, nah, we're not gonna let you come out in 5 years. Nah, you're gonna have to come out and fight and see this. And that's exactly what DJ Academics was saying. So, hey, DJ Academics gassed Drake up so much, was glazing him so much that he thought he can come after a real MC, a real one. That Eminem himself said that, okay, yeah, he's real. So yeah, Drake only has himself and DJ Academics for that. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show him. Certified boogeyman. I'm the one that up the scope with him. Ah, beat the ass behind the Bible if God watching. But yeah, I think at this point, Drake career. I mean, he can't. You can't survive that because, like I said, DJ Academic was like, "Oh man, that's not even a club song." So Kendrick came out and made his diss track a song that they can play in the club, and now they're gonna play this in the club. Yo, yeah, Drake, he fucked up. And what's crazy is that DJ Academics and Drake both have very similar personalities, where they had to work very hard to get the notoriety that they have now. They're two very successful men. However, to them, I feel that they haven't moved past the them before the fame. Because let's just be honest, both of them weren't that cool before the fame. So some people don't move past that. No matter how many accolades they have, no matter how many achievements, they're still the loser that none of the women wanted when they were growing up. Nobody wanted to be friends with them. They weren't cool, and some people just get stuck in that mode. And I think that's what's going on here for both of them, in my opinion, based off of their behavior. And based off of the women that they date, you can see that the women they choose are the ones with still kind of in that high school 20 mentality. They're not dating mature women, they're dating more childish or immature women. So I mean, I kind of saw that. I peeped that out. But they got their egos got the best of them, and now Drake has to pay for that. So if the Bulls fail to push price higher, we could see a drop from these highs. We could see a drop. 35 boogeyman. I'm the one that up the scope with him. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so if we get a bounce right, it's right there. All right, so my position should be good right now. I should be good in this position. Where's this at? 60. It's at 60. Yeah, I should be good in this. We're not. Okay. Okay. All right. So I only lost 5 points in that. It's not bad. I'll take that. It's not a bad loss.
I kind of had to get in. This ain't even revenge trading, but I don't know. I shorted that. Dang, I feel bad. I forgot it was a 50K, man. You don't got much room for error,
You said you forgot it
especially
was a what?
50K. You don't have much room for error trading freaking minis.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now you in short.
Mm-hmm.
Now you in short.
Yeah. Yeah, I figured it does not bounce it right there.
Now you in short.
Mm. I'm gonna put this right under this value area low right here,
Just drop it.
just in case.
Drop it 40 points. And going. 5 minutes. Now you in short. Ugh. Alright, stop out. Bounce at the middle for now. Yep. Up. She's still going. She's still trying to go.
Uh,
Hey, watch. Man, how many people was expecting it to crush 500?
you
And
talking about what?
got it. I said, how many people was expecting it to blast through 500?
I
And
mean, shit, it
they got
it
their
dropped right at
dreams.
94, 95.
Yeah, they got their
That's
dreams
exactly what
crushed.
the NQ does.
It did it. Yeah, it did
I
it
mean, at
last.
this point, go ahead.
No, I was saying, yeah, it did it last time when we was expecting it to break through that one level, and it stopped like four
Mm-hmm.
points away. It just dropped. It's a repeat. I should have took that long though. Now I need to, especially when it was breaking everything. It broke the trend line. I was looking at it on the 5 minute, and then it started. Once it started looking like it was gonna flip on the 2K tick, I was like, "Oh shoot!" But I still held the short for no reason. Out of hopium.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean that's what the Nasdaq does, man. You're definitely gonna have to um, be mindful because even though I'm trading a Nasdaq, I'm not looking at structure anymore because the Nasdaq is more levels with the Nasdaq. I mean, she does trade structurally as well, but you see it over time. But in the moment, it's like, yo, she just goes level to level. She goes level to level. She doesn't. You're not gonna get her to trade in structure for real. Now, if I turn off my chart trader, you'll see it now. You'll see that she bounced right at this left shoulder. She bounced right off of it. and she got
Yeah,
her head, her two shoulders, and she's not making for a way to break that high. You said what?
nah, JC is right. He said I gotta trust my gut in the read. I saw it. I was even talking about it as I was in that trade. I saw it getting ready to flip here. And then I drew the I drew this trend line just to be sure. And I'm like, yeah, I see it flipping on the 5 minute chart. It's the 2K chart. And it's flipping on the two. And ain't it? Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. I should have
Yeah, I
drew.
kind of want to bring up something that I said. Oh,
My bad. One last point.
finish your thought, bro.
I should have drew one last or a new golden Fibonacci level because it. If I would have drew that off of the current high, I would have
Mm,
saw that it bounced right here in this golden area.
yeah, that's why I was like, bro, it bounced off the golden area. Did you adjust it? It bounced clean in that area, dude. That shit was clean. You couldn't get no cleaner bounce off the golden fifth area, dude. You couldn't get no cleaner bounce, yo. That's why I was like, when I went short, I was like, dude, I'm not playing with that golden area, and I'm not playing with it. And that's why I got out my short and flip off. I'm not gonna play with it. But I want to go back to a point that I stated earlier. Look at the ES. You see how the Nasdaq is moving and the ES is not following it yet? This
Uh,
tells me that this could be a fake pump on the Nasdaq, and that the Nasdaq is just clearing out its area because the ES hasn't pumped up yet. It hasn't moved yet. So I don't know. That's what kind of gets me kind of suspicious. Maybe the ES is kind of lagging right now, but yeah, I know the Nasdaq is going crazy right now, but the ES sinks. So just keep that in mind.
yeah, yeah. I mean, this one was just for the culture. I had to, even though I didn't even need this, honestly. Matter of fact, I'm about to close this account. It's well beyond past. I'm closing this one down. Now I gotta look at,
Mm.
rethink, rethink things. What should I get? Should I get another account? But if I do that, I'm gonna be revenge trading. I know, so I should probably just chill on this Friday.
Yeah,
I should probably just chill.
yeah, I think so. I think so, cause yeah, that is definitely a recipe for revenge trading, and I think the market. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, man. It is hard to tell on the at least on the Nasdaq. Yeah, we're still going up, but we rejected here at this high. We may get a push up to this 23% at 526 on the Nasdaq, which I mean it does fall in line with that that 20 level resistance. So we'll see.
I'm trying to see what kind of structure is this. I don't even see like any real structure in this at all. I guess just buy dips. They tried to short it down and they freaking bought that mess right back up.
I mean, if you look at the higher time frame chart, if you look at it, yeah,
Let me see.
we had that sweep of liquidity on both sides. We had that drop. They bounced it off the 21. Price is trending. Okay, price is trending on the higher time frame right now. It's trending.
Yeah, do y'all see this?
So I would keep that in mind.
Oh wow. It bounced off the trend line. The short we got that I hopped in that we got and it bounced off this trend line and
Hmm.
got ate right back. Oh, this is the high time frame. This is the king push chart. Dang. Now they about to run 500. They they got their liquidity swept all the way down here. Now they about.
Hmm.
But yeah, let me see ES. ES is well,
Say yes. Oh,
I
yes
mean,
ain't moving for real.
yeah.
So this was 88. I mean, this is a 10-point play. Like I gotta keep remember. No, it wasn't even 10 points yet. It was 9. From top to bottom, it was a 9-point play. I mean, I just gotta remember that the ES just doesn't move like that. So I mean, that's what gets me uh cautious with the Nasdaq about what it possibly can do until ES kind of figures it out. Because right now, I mean, if you look at it, the ES is trading in this big range right here. You can see that we got this breakout on both sides, and price came back and started trading in this range on the ES. So what does that mean? I mean, the Nasdaq is going to be the Nasdaq for real, but the ES ain't following it. So, or at least not yet.
You know what?
So I mean, we're still going to rock it with the Nasdaq.
Alpha reminded me of that
You said what?
that 50K starter. That 50K starter, baby. You're right about that, Alfred.
Yeah, like I said, I'm actually start trading that probably next week. I have one for the ES and one for the Nasdaq, but I mostly probably will just focus on the Nasdaq. Honestly, mostly look at that. Look at that, yo. Your boy up 65 points, baby. Your boy up 65 points on the Nasdaq, baby. 100-point Sherm coming back. 100-point Sherm. Shit, the Bears would need literally Crash Curry to come out and say like, yo, look, motherfuckers, we ain't getting no rate cut. I don't care what the data say. The world can blow up and there ain't gonna still be no rate cut. And that's the crash that the Bears need. Right there. Our boy Crash Curry. Let's take that off. Take that off. All right, so I'm gonna try to find a good area to try to add into this. Let's see if we can get into this golden zone, man. I mean, I got mostly all my contracts off. I got 2 contracts left on this. I'm in profit. If I get stopped out, man, this is a great trade, great way to end the week. And these golden fibs were the truth. These fib levels the truth. But kind of going back to what you said, I think the pre-market low and the pre-market high is all you need. I don't think you need to keep readjusting it as it goes higher. From what I've seen, from what I've back tested, as long as you get the pre-market high and low, then it'll still follow the fibs, and that's all you need.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Since you're fib, you got top and bottom. I don't got that. I need to make my own on Trade of Eight so I can get
So
the
I
top.
tried doing it on Tradeovate.
Yeah.
It's just that at least the one I was trying to modify the one that has already been created.
Yeah.
With Tradeovate, was stopping was stopping it from doing it from top and bottom is that it only has 15 slots.
I
What you
saw
can
that.
do,
Yeah.
what you can do is actually take out the fib levels that you don't need. I think I did this already, and I may have already deleted it, but take out actually I did it on Top Step. So if you copy the one on Top Step, actually Top Step has never mind. They're gonna put 18 on Top Step, but if you look at my stream, if you copy it on yours, actually I'll just send it to you. I'll just put it in the Discord chat. I'll take a screenshot, put it in the Discord chat.
Oh, sure. You know what you need to do?
What's that?
You need to post that. You need the one you got for Ninja Traders. You need to put that into like the indicator bank or something, so people can pick it up from you.
Mm. That does sound like a good
Charge like
pay to Sherm opportunity.
charge like $2 or something for it, and then throw that mess in there.
Yeah, because that was like 2 to 3 hours of work, yo. That was work.
Yo, the one on
So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and put it in a good.
JC. So the one on TradingView, I think comes standard with it. Let me see. Where was pre-market high?
I have to look. So I'm about to put it in the chat. So if you want to look at it, I'm about to put it in the Discord chat. If you want to
96.
look at it, copy it, put it in here.
Yeah, okay, JC. The one on TradingView is standard. It comes with tops and bottoms. Uh,
Okay.
wait, does it? Am I tripping? No, okay, yeah, it does, it does. Because I've used it before on TradingView. The bottom. So yeah, yeah. If you put it down, let's see. So
Hmm.
big fib retracement.
I mean, let's look at ES. So ES finally touched 10 points in this move right here. So I mean, with the ES, I mean, we just got to pay attention to this high. We got to pay attention to that high. Technically, it's at its left shoulder right now. I'm pretty sure the Bulls got this. I'm pretty sure we can get a retest of oh, okay, never mind. You can see that they're coming in right here. But I mean, we'll see. We'll see with the ES. We would definitely see. But I'm just like I said, like it's weird that the Nasdaq is going crazy right now and the ES ain't doing shit. It's not doing anything.
So the next 618 is at 571 to the upper. And the
You looking at? Are you talking about me? The
I know
next, yeah, it's around.
I'm on TradingView. Is that what does yours kind of match up? Let me see. I need to pull up your stream. I'm tripping. Wow, this thing
100
is
point
just
Sherm. 100
running.
point Sherm. 100
Running.
point Sherm, baby.
Get that. That's
100
crazy.
point Sherm, baby. Or 5 more points. Is she gonna give it to me or is she gonna?
618. I think you got it, to be honest. Where 43? Yeah.
Yeah, I got this, yo. I got this. I got this. They better hit my target too. I got it. Uh-oh. 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 100 point. Man, wow. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. All right. Officially 100 points, baby. Let's go. Officially 100 points, baby. Let's go. This is why this is NASDAQ Anonymous, baby.
Man, could have been part of that. Epic.
Oh, you're not in this?
No, I've already. This account is passed. This is the last day, so I don't need to do anything with this. I got to get my
Nah.
MFF account that Alfred reminded me about.
Yeah, that MFF account is clutch, man. That shit's clutch.
He said
It's
starter.
definitely a clutch account. Yeah, it's a starter. I mean, but if you want the 150K, that's 220. I mean, that's still cheaper than anything that you'll get on the market right now. Man, man, the Nasdaq is doing that just cause, yo. That damn target, yo.
You ain't close out at your
Thank
100
you.
points.
No, I like to upgrade a little bit. There we go. 105 points, baby. 105. Yo, I got my last target sitting at that other golden zone, the other golden zone at 581. And that, or actually, let me put this at 77. Actually, let me put it at 77 because I'm pretty sure it's gonna probably tap this golden. Or, uh, yeah. There we go. No, 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 no. Nah, we'll leave it like that. No, we'll put it at 77, 79. We'll leave it like that. All in all, I only got one runner contract. I should even be angry if it comes all the way back to me. I mean,
Wait, MFF is it with both of them passing one day, or the starter? Do you have to?
it's all passing one day. Everything is passing one day.
Oh, all right. I'm about to hit this on this 50K. All right. All right.
Yeah.
We about to be
MFF fucked up with these new revamped starter packs.
We about to be funded for 3K. We about to be funded for Monday. All right, no activation.
Yeah,
Yeah, they don't. You
yeah.
right. Why did I see that before?
All right, hold
Yo,
on. Are you now just realizing like how bad they effed up? Like, yo, they effed up.
yo,
You
seriously.
know. But
Yo,
on the funded side, you got to make 40% consistency though.
man, I don't
But
even
I mean, so
care.
here's the thing. Go ahead. So here's the thing that people probably don't realize with MFS funded side. If you have 30 profitable days, they will put you in a live account with $3,500 with a $3,500 static account. You can take out your profits, but then they'll put you in a $3,500 static account in live. Or I think it's like 12 payouts. So if you reach like 12, well, let's actually read it from the website. If you reach, I think it's 12,000, they put you in live. If you take $12,000 in payouts or have 30 profitable days, they put you in a $3,500 static account live. So they're really controlling the risk to them. Like they'll like, okay, we're going to have profitable traders, but they're not taking out tens of millions of dollars at a time. They're taking out a controlled amount, and what they can say is that, hey, we got funded traders, we're paying traders out, blah 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 blah. It's a great marketing tool. Along with the price, MFF is on the top of the game right now. Nobody has a eval that's doing the same thing like MFF right now. So Apex is falling off. Top Step, they have to respond. They have to respond again.
You got
They got
24
to.
hours to respond. Yo, I
You
didn't
got
realize.
24 hours.
I mean, I saw it and everything, but I didn't really read into it. I've been trying to focus on passing them other ones that I got for free, and I just blew.
Hmm.
I just freaking blew. So,
Yeah.
except my 150K, we still got that. We 11K in profit. Today's day 5. I'm about to be funded Monday on that, and yeah, we'll take it from
Hmm.
there.
I
540.
was honestly, I was surprised. I was like, when I was telling you, I was like, dude, are you not listening to what I'm saying right now? Like, are you not listening?
I was I was too focused on other things.
Like,
Yeah,
this is life changing, yo. Look
that
at that
is
drop, yo.
that is really good though. I can't even hold you. Yeah, and it's still passing.
Mm.
Wait, how many contracts you get on the 50? Did they give you 10 like Apex? That would be wild.
No, they give you 30. They give you 30 micros and 30 minis.
Wait, what? On a 50?
On the 50, yeah, on the 50K, you get 3 minis or 30 micros.
Oh, 3 minis, 30 mic. Yeah,
Hmm.
okay.
I mean, the 50Ks, you can still use the 50Ks, only $220. And you get $500 of extra drawdown.
Yeah.
I mean, all in all, right now, this is the best deal in the market. That's why Top Step has to respond. I've already seen people from Top Steps in the comments that asked the question, "Is this permanent?" They said, "Yes, it's permanent," and they said that this is now my new home. And I'm not going to hold you. For right now, MFF is my new home. It's my new home right now. There's no reason to get a Top Step account. There's really none, none, none. They have to get rid of that. They have to get rid of that $150 activation fee, or they have to readjust the cost. Now, the 150K for $150, I mean that's reasonable, but for it to have it on the 50K, that's absolutely makes no sense to me personally. Like I've said it before, I know people still get the 150K and spend the $150 to activate the account. However, when you get on the funded side, we all know that emotions come in and you need all the drawdown in the world to kind of absorb all that emotional trading that we all know that you're gonna do initially to get started, and then over time you can get your account back up to speed and possibly get that payout. But $1,000 or $2,000 in drawdown, that shit don't. It's not gonna cut it in the indices. It's not gonna cut it, especially when you have days like this. Somebody already blew their account chasing this long right here with this drop. But let's see if they bounce it at VWAP though. Okay, for some reason they're not making this easy to find. I don't understand why. All right, starter accounts. The new revamped starter account. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up, and then we're gonna go through it. And like, dude, this is so good. This is so good, man. This is good. This is really good. I mean, with the 50K account, you have a starter pack. I mean, I'm sorry, with the 50K starter pack, all you have to do is make 3K. So none of the profit targets changed. They even gave you an additional $500 on all accounts, which, let's just be honest, all the money that we can get in drawdown helps. They will lock you out the same way that Top Step will if you reach a certain threshold. So they even give you an additional amount. They give you $600 of extra drawdown on the 150K. They give you 400 on the 100K, and they give you 200 on the 50K. This is so good, so freaking good on them. You got a 40% consistency rule once you get funded, and once you get the payouts, once you get the maximum payout, they put you in a. Let me see where if I can find it. Let me see. It's like $3,500 static account. Okay, so they don't say that. They probably got it in there live. There's no activation fee. So there's potential weekly payout, blah blah blah. No buffer zone, and then there's no buffer zone too. That's like, dude, they have no buffer zone. That means as soon as you get your 5 profitable days, you can take a payout. Like, that's so good. There's no buffer zone that you have to get over. Starter, live, funded.
Nah, yeah, that is really good. Moxie said the new starter pack made Top Step irrelevant. Hey, you got
It
24
did, dude.
hours to
Like,
respond.
Top Step is irrelevant right now.
They gotta respond. I'm mad I missed all this stuff. Is this okay? All right, y'all. Oh, I wish they gave level 2 data. That would be nice. We'll come down here, test.
Okay. Okay. So I think, am I still in this? I'm still in this, baby. So we're at VWAP right now. Man, you know what? Let's see if we can take this route again, baby. Let's see if we can take it again. Let's see. All right. Let's see. We're gonna take this route again, baby. We're gonna take it again.
Hey,
And this is why
yo.
NinjaTrader 8 needs to needs to have a lockout feature, because I am definitely high right now. Definitely high right now. Where would be a good stop out? Uh, what would be? Uh, well, okay. All right, so 553, 553. Mm, all right, so I'll just put this underneath this golden fib. This would be like a 27, about a 28 point stop on 16 micro contracts. But I think I'm good, bro. I think I'm good. I think I'm good on this. These golden fibs working out perfectly. They bounced it right off this fib level too. They bounced it right off this fib level. Huh. Okay, so I do see an area where, all right, so we may get a rejection here at 519. We may get a rejection somewhere around here, possibly. The Bulls are definitely going to have to get over this level right here because this is where that break of structure happened. So we may see a lot of resistance here, but we all know that the Bears have been super weak. So who knows? Who knows if that's what we get? Nah, I think we're good. I think we're good on this. I think we're
All right.
good. But I was wondering where I saw that. Okay.
50K starter pack.
All right. Our boy's in the game now, baby. He's in the game now.
I'm in the game, but I'm in a terrible spot right now as far as an entry.
You can get away with it with the NQ. You can get away with it. You just have to take a little bit of pain for a while.
How much pain can I afford?
uh,
What's the stats on this 50K account? Uh, 2,500 drawdown.
all right. I did find out. Okay. So I did find it. It has it right here on X. Clear as day. Live funding, a static account with a $3,500 in balance, eligible after 30 days of winning or 12Ks in payouts. So, this is good. This is good. Good. And honestly, I'm wondering if they're doing this so, because you know that case with their Forex side, I wonder if they're doing this so they can see what we're doing on the future side. We're making it so easy for traders to get live funded. They're getting easy payouts, blah, 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 blah. I wonder if they're doing that for that. It don't really matter what they're really doing it for, but this is super good, though. This is super good. Super good. Mm. My name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. Mm. So what I should do actually, I should kind of lower this a little bit so it's not playing with the wicks because this is an area where the Bears could come in. I don't think they're going to be successful, but it's just the fact that we could see a big retracement before we see an up move. But the NASDAQ, you just never know. But structurally, this is where the Bears could come in at right here. So just be mindful in your position. We're going to see a lot of resistance here, but obviously the momentum is bullish. So, and the CVD is still positive on Bookmap. So if you're long, you should be good. Certified booking man. I'm not up to scope with him. Damn, is 100-point Sherm going to do it again? Is he going to do it again? All right.
Yeah, 2 times in a row.
How do you keep getting away with this? Uh, hmm. 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 And that's the thing with the Nasdaq, man. That's the thing with her. Um, yeah, you can trail your position, but what if it stops you out and keeps going? I mean, you're definitely going to revenge trade and get back in. You're definitely going to revenge trade and get back in on this. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take that one. I'm taking it. I took it because we do see a pseudo liquidity right here. We do got this super big leg down. So I do expect for the Bears to try to come back into this. We probably might get a bounce here at this fib level, but I'm just going to take the profits. This is right there. I'm just going to take it. And at this point, I'm going to reduce my risk on this because I still want to keep this one contract in as possible. It's only one micro contract. So even if I do get stopped out, that's like what, a 40, about a $20 to $30 loss. I mean, I've made about like 2 or 3K already today. So I mean, I'm good. I'm good on this. And we may see some resistance here at this 23%. Because I mean, if you look at it, we did get a break of the 23%. We saw that they tried to come in and try to break off of it. We did. If actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? I apologize. All right, so yeah, we saw this massive move up like this. We broke the 23%. Price came right back in to test it. The bulls tried again to take out this high right here. They failed to do so, and we have this massive move down. And now we have this neckline here at this 23% right here. And so this is what the bulls are going to have to get over. Actually, the bulls are going to somehow have to get over this line. We're going to have to probably have a retest here in order for us to see higher prices. Now, if we see a rejection here and we take out this low, then I'm thinking that this golden zone will be definitely an area that they come back and retest. And actually, hold on. Hold on. I just realized that. I just realized something. Dude, we're still in an uptrend. Hold on, let me look at that. We're still in an uptrend. Even if price does come down here, price is still trending up. So as long as we get a bounce somewhere in this trend line, like around 470 or 480, then we can still see potential upside. I'm actually going to move this down to break even +1. I don't want to get stopped out actually. But if we get like a break of this trend line, then okay, we can see probably a massive move down because we have all these stops that's holding up this trend line right here. So if the market dips into this, we can definitely see a move back down. But so far, the trend is being held up. So that does give my bullish position hope, even though the bears are trying to sell this down. Oh, isn't that interesting? Because we was looking at that last night too. Oh crap! I just looked at the ES. You see what I'm talking about with the ES? You see what I'm talking about?
Well, what the ES do? Nothing. In comparison.
Well, I mean, we did get this massive drop. But in comparison, yeah, it's obviously the Nasdaq dwarfed the ES. But we was talking about this last night in the NA meeting about how the ES protects its highs and how the ES protects its lows. And you can see that it traded in this range, and we got this breakout from this range, and it turned right back into this range. You see that? So I was like, that's what I was saying. Like, if you're long the ES, yeah, once you got it, it worked out. And I think this was probably like what this is probably like a 15-point move, which is good on the ES. I mean, that's 10 points. Yeah, so about like 4 points, 4 points, 14 points on the ES, which is good. But you see this big crash right back down to this area of support. So that's why I was trying to say, like, just be mindful in the ES, because the ES wasn't moving along with the Nasdaq. So I knew that a crash was coming eventually. And if you shorted at the actually, let's look to see on the fib levels on the ES real quick and see if they actually worked out. Hmm, isn't that interesting? So if you got short here at this golden fib at 98 and took profits here at 89, which is a 10-point play, you got paid. If you got long at the 23% and got back out at the golden fib, that was another 10-point play. It rejected at the 88% though. 79, 88. Hmm. Again, when you talk about F the shorts. Yeah, shorts get no love in this market, man. None whatsoever. But it's shorting on the ES, so just be mindful of that. It's short on the ES. The ES has not been bullish this entire time. It's been super bearish. This is actually a bear. Actually, I'm gonna move this up. I'm moving this up because that's bearish as fuck. That's bearish if we get a break. So I'm gonna put my my stop at 477.25, because if we get a break of that low, this is going down. This is a classic reversal pattern. The bears are trying. They are trying. So gain weight. You better put some momentum in the market, because it does look like we're in for some downside. But for my long position, I hope I'm wrong. Or I don't want to be wrong though, but we can't break this trend line right here. We can, or not this trend line, this neckline. We can't break this. We can't get it closed behind underneath this break line, because you can see that the bulls have tried once in this area, twice, 3 times. So underneath that neckline is nothing but stops. 3 layers of stops right here. So the bulls definitely going to have to hold this and close above that neckline in order to see them higher prices. Where's your stop at? Well, shit. It must be nice when you can take your position into multiple days. I'm pretty sure your stop is all the way at the bottom of this move. Gain weight. You say your stops in hill. I mean, hopefully the Bears don't like shit. The Bears are gonna try to take this market to hell to take out that stop. Say we gonna need that, but nah, man. Where's your target at? Like, where are you trying to get out of your position? Also saying something. Hopefully, let me see if I can kind of just put the volume down and listen to what he's saying. Saying something. Mm. Okay, so if I can just hurry up and do this real quick. I guess he's still talking. Okay. Okay. Hey Smith, are you in this still? Are you still in long right now?
No, I'm short.
Are you short? Okay. Yeah, I think the shorts got it. I think you're I think you're on the right path on this one. I think the shorts got it. What made you get in short on this one though, if you don't mind?
Um, I don't know, to be honest.
It was just a gut feeling. Your bear senses started tingling. Yeah, dude, it looks like dude, this is short. Like
But
technically, like dude, this is a short.
I'm not gonna. Yeah, I don't believe that they take it too far though. Like just cause of how weak they are.
Yeah. Well, as long as they don't get it above that 526 level, being like being a bear is kind of dangerous, I'm not gonna lie. But it does look like the bulls are exhausting, and we may see a push down. I do see it on book map that the momentum is bearish, even though the CVD is still positive. So there's bearish selling, but they haven't overwhelmed the bulls yet. So we're just gonna have to probably wait for that. Mm. Okay, I'll probably take off. Yeah, I think this is going short too. I'm actually going to put this here just in case. I'm gonna just leave that here. I'm gonna put my stop and profit, so this is not gonna be a scratch trade. But all in all, today was a good day. Today was a good day. Okay, so oh, he's sorry. Somebody in bookmap saying something, but that it does that.
Freaking Bulls, and it's Friday too. Yeah, Bulls go crazy on Fridays. You know, shorts get no love.
I mean, they still got to kind of get it above this. They still have to. I mean, yeah. like I said, we did get it above this 23%, but they have to still get it above this. I understand with the Nasdaq, that bullish momentum can look crazy, but I mean, she's crazy, but she's still not that crazy. I mean, I'm not saying that the shorts is going to work, but the bulls have a lot of work to do to be successful. They got to get it above this high first, but you still got this block of price action that they have to get over right here. They have to get over that. And if they're not able to get over here, if they exhaust, then your short could definitely get definitely work. I don't think it's going to be a reversal, but you can definitely get a short to a previous area of oh crap, to a previous area of support, and the bulls can potentially come back in here, and from here we can see a move up. But if the bulls think they can just continue right here without no real price action, I don't think that they're capable of doing so. But I mean, the bulls have shown that they are completely regarded. So I think your short is good. Where's your entry at, if you don't mind?
Man, I was short like how many minutes ago? That mess is way back 5:05.
So 505.
Yeah,
Yeah. You got kind of caught in that red candle, that breakdown candle. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. If this can break, I'll probably flip long because I don't think
I
I
don't
don't,
think so, bro. I don't think so, bro. I think you're good, bro. I
I
think
don't
you're good.
believe
I
I
think
don't
you're good.
believe in the shorts. They have not proven themselves. The Bulls prove themselves all the freaking time. They don't play. They don't play. They do not play. Yeah, I should. Yeah, I know I should close that. I just what about Target?
Just trail it, bro. But I think you're good though. I think you're good in this, man.
Yeah,
Because like I said, they failed to get it above this level and they're getting a crash down. So I mean, let's just see what they do here at this low.
because this is
At
nah. They bounce it
I
off.
wouldn't if you close your position here, I wouldn't go long. I wouldn't go long here. That'd be a suicidal long. Just
Okay.
stay in short. Like, bro,
Uh,
bro, see?
uh,
Uh,
we gotta put that on.
but you gotta trail it though. Yeah, you gotta trail it though.
We
Because
gotta.
that's not a good position to be short though. That's not a good position to be short. Now, if you were short at 26, then yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? See, hold on, let me see something real quick. What's that? 78, 618. Okay. If we get back down here, I'll long down there. Probably, yeah, like down here.
And let me look at MES real quick. Mm. So
See, that's
if you want to look at the ES,
the most
go ahead.
stressful short in the world. It shouldn't be like that. And it's still going back up. See?
It should. It shouldn't do. It really shouldn't. I mean, the ES is like I said, still in the range. Is the ES doesn't look bullish, so I don't know. We'll see.
Ah, yeah, yeah, I knew I should have freaking logged off to 50. Yep. Because, I mean, let me see.
Appreciate that, NYA.
Yep. Well, Let me chill. Let me chill out. I already missed my short opportunity, so I think that's why I took it, just because I missed out on it. This back here, yeah, I could have been done with the account off of that.
You're turning to 50K, right?
Yeah, yes I am.
Hey, Gameway says that to bring his friend's sword in short positions to hell to take him out. He's ready for combat. Okay. He said he got his stop loss sitting in hell right now, so Mike ain't gonna never be able to touch it.
You know what? Bump this. No, I'm
Oh,
going
don't chase it.
long. I'm going long.
Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't chase it.
No,
They gotta
go
break over this
chase
26 level.
waterfalls. I mean, we couldn't
Don't go
even get
chasing
a.
them waterfalls. You'll become the liquidity.
We couldn't even.
Yo, we're gonna start saying that. Don't chase that waterfall because you'll become the liquidity. Yo, that's nice. Okay, yeah, that's nice.
We didn't even get the drop to VWAP, but they couldn't even do that. Like, man, I'm about to retire. I'm about to retire from being a bear. I'm not even gonna be a bullish bear. I'm about to retire. You see my chart? Like, look at these baby gains, and it was a stress and a struggle. Stress and a struggle just to get $500. Why?
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, yeah. Stressful, dude. Stressful. Up and now we got it above this area. Yeah, the Bulls. Yeah, I guess the Bulls got it, man. Yeah, they got it.
Don't short it, or no, don't
But
chase
now
it.
they got to take out now the next objective for the Bulls.
Don't chase
Dude,
it.
dude, you wanted the long at 526.
I
You
don't
want the
care.
long at 526
Hey, I don't
instead
care.
of going shorting that long at five.
I
I was
don't
like,
care.
dude, look at like 5490.
They about to take
Like
it.
shit, like long 490.
What's 526 if they about to take it to like 574? Watch.
Man, this should be
Actually,
so tight,
actually,
bro.
I'm not in it. I'm not in it. But I should have been. Actually, I am gonna chill because I feel like I'm gonna epic drop. So we'll get an epic drop and then it'll just pump right back up.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
I want
yeah.
to
That's why I
be.
was like, just pay attention to that crap, that
Mhm.
490 area, because I think that's the well, that was that area that they needed to come in at right there. Mm. He said, move it up a tad, bro. That's a long position. You know what? You're right in game weight. I think every time I listen to game weight, I make more money.
That's wild. My short sense is tingling. Is this it? Is this it? Or are they trying to mess with me? Nah, this ain't it. Not yet.
I mean,
Not yet. It ain't ready yet.
dude. I
Nope.
mean, like I said, man, it has to take out that high first, man. It has to take it out. It has to. If we don't get if the price doesn't take out that high, then the bulls are going to exhaust, and we might see that grind down like that. We can see it. And dude, my bear senses have always like, dude, when I saw this first rejection here, yeah, I see it right there. Because honestly, price is not supposed to really get over this level if the bears are serious. Well, not really get over it, but not have a strong close above it. And you can see that they failed once at this level, and then they failed twice. We got that pop above, and price coming back into that range. So we'll see,
Bears,
man. We'll see if the bulls are going to exhaust here. If not, we're going to see that move up like that.
the Bears haven't been serious since Crash Kari. That was their one day that they
Yeah,
were
they had
serious.
it.
And then BlackRock came and manipulated the market right back up. We could still get a rate cut before the end of the year.
Uh-huh. hmm BlackRock giving the people hope, even though the Fed itself saying that we won't see it. I mean, the market, I mean, it has been going up. So even though BlackRock got what they wanted. They got the market to trade higher. They got what they wanted. And then basically all they needed to do was get it above a certain level, and the buy stops was going to do the rest for them. And once everybody sees that massive move up, they're going to chase it. Bears are going to short it, and bulls are going to chase it. So the market's going to continue to go up higher. Perfectly engineered liquidity. Perfectly. All right. So let's check that out. So let's look at the higher time frame. ES still lagging. Still lagging, dude. Crazy. Well, let's look at the higher time frame on the Nasdaq. I mean, we are still trending. The price is still trending higher. So got a perfect trend. We got bulls protecting this trend line perfectly. Almost, you can see it. They're buying at every bottom of the trend line going up. So the top of this range is somewhere where my target is, right there at that 70 level, right at that golden fib level, right there at that golden fib will be the top of the trend. Can we get much higher?
I just need to be patient. My time will come. It'll, my shorts will come at some point. Be patient. Don't chase. Okay, let's continue this trend line up. See if I can keep
Can
it.
we get much higher? Let me look at that though. Golden Fibs did hold up. We got a crash underneath it, right back into this area right here. Hmm. Mercy, mercy me, that mercy alive. And then they came right back up. They took it. See, let me clean up the chart. Okay, so this kind of tells me that we definitely need to update the fib levels every day, because these were the fib levels previously, and obviously you can see that they're not lining up anymore with each other. It's not lining up anymore. So we're definitely going to need to update the fib levels every day. So that just proves that theory to me.
Look at this. Don't long it. No, don't. I'd be at like 30 points.
Nah. Uh-uh. You can't do that.
I would have
You
been
can't
up
do
30
that. I
points.
said get in around like that 490 level. I said get in at that 490 level. I said that.
That level been gone.
But you was trying to long it.
Nah.
No. We talking about now when you was trying to long right here, I was
I
like,
sh-
nah, don't long there. Don't long
no,
there.
I should have longed off this 50 EMA, which would have worked out perfectly. Ah,
Yeah, it worked out. It worked out this
man.
time. But you don't want to take a dude, you can't do that. You can't do that. You
You
can't do
know
that. It
what?
worked now.
I've been messing
It
up.
worked now. But we
Nah.
know that shit ain't gonna work over time.
Nah. It's Friday. The market only goes up on Friday.
Well, I can't be your trading partner if I tell you to go long at 526. I can't do that. I won't do that. It worked this time, unfortunately. Yeah, it worked. But you want to long the high? You want the
What you
I mean, it
say?
works. It's working. But I wouldn't have
Man.
done it. I said it. You wanted to. It worked now, but you don't want to do that over time, man. You don't want to long the top. You don't want to do that and get caught.
This is crazy. Yet again, straight up. I should have known.
Hmm
Had to struggle for $591. That definitely the risk reward is not there. I was down like $1,400. Barely escaped that by
Yo.
getting my
Okay. Nah. My bad. My bad. Yo. Okay. I need to trade gold. 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 Yo. I'm putting no. I'm putting this shit in the damn. I'm logging this. Yo. That shit hit that level perfectly. Yeah. I'm okay. I need to trade gold because apparently I'm a gold master. Apparently I'm a gold master. A gold master. Yo, we was talking about this level last night in the NF meeting, and look at this pump from that level. Yo, I'm a gold master, yo. Ah, crap. Mm. Ah, shit. Look at all that red.
Not
Isn't
yet,
that
game.
interesting, man?
Not yet, game. It ain't time yet. It ain't time yet. Not yet, my boy.
We just took out that high.
It ain't time, game. Wait, it ain't
Mm-mm.
time yet.
Huh. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have an account for gold, dude. I'm like, dude, I'm 100% in all my gold calls, yo. That's crazy. I guess I really don't care about gold. That's probably why I'm just seeing it I'm just calling it how I see it and not really caring about it because I don't want to trade it for real. But that is crazy. Crazy. All right, so let's see if this is the drop. We took out this high. Now, the question is, Smith, if you would have got long here, would you would have got out at 50?
Yeah.
No, you probably would have been got out. Yeah, you would have been got out. Yeah. I'm thinking about how I trade. I was like, nah, I definitely would have got out. No, I wouldn't have got out there. No, I wouldn't have. No. Mm, yeah, we ain't talking about Mortal Kombat. Mm. Yeah, it sounds like Gameway trying to goat you into taking a short position so he can get his longs hit. That's what it sounds like. Trying to add you to the liquidity pool. That's funny, Gameway. That's funny. Mm. Yeah, you remember. No, I gotta put this in my journal. I gotta put this in my journal. Yo, it hit that level perfectly, that 357 level. So we did get some drawdown. So if you got in perfectly at this 357, it got all the way down to, I mean, I think you lost, I mean, I guess depending on how you have your risk, because I think every tick is $1 or is $10. So that would have been 56. So that would have been a $90 loss. 90 because it only took it out 90 cents. And then we got this massive move up. So I'm taking this. So we got a gold play. Gold play. Gold is like what, $10 per tick. We went in long. That's what we was talking about last night. At this 223.57 level. And we got I mean shit at the top of this. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can keep going. But the top of this was 23.93. So I mean, even if you got here at 23.57 last night from this call out, I mean, you ended your day. You only had 9 ticks of drawdown and had all this upside. 23.93. 23.93. That's fine. Okay. But yep, another gold play plays out. I'm so proud of that. I don't even trade the damn thing at all. Actually, let me look at that. Okay, so gold, GC, entry price 23.57. 23.93. What? Entry price 23.57. Oh, I might have done that wrong. 23.93. No, I did that right. Yo, that's crazy. So this whole move right here, if you caught this whole move up here, that was 360 ticks. on one contract. That was $3,600 on one contract with gold. Uh, this does look like a risk reward short though. This does look like a risk reward short on gold. We got a double top. We got them failing to take out this. Actually, my bad. All right, so we do got a double top. We got them failing to take out this high, and the bears are starting to come in. I mean, a short probably down to the 21 EMA or potentially to this 2381 area could definitely be a great reward for your trade, for your risk, putting your stop possibly above 2394 because it's just a risk reward trade, not necessarily a trade that has anything behind it, but technically sound, this could be a good short, at least down to this level. So if you're a gold trader and you want to take that, that's a great risk reward trade right there. And once we got a run of these highs, we got that stop run higher, and we got them to retest that area perfectly for that run up. So it is shorting. 360 ticks on that move. Because I don't really need the P&L or anything. I don't really want that. I don't need this. Don't need that. Delete column, and I can start putting the comments there. Just delete this. Well, there goes that short working out for gold. So if you were able to get in that, there goes that short working. All right, so let's look at my NASDAQ trade, see if and that's what I'm talking about, Smith. I mean, you would have got out of that. You definitely would have got out of that, and I know you would have. But long and right here, that wasn't a good risk reward trade, and that's why I was trying to tell Smith. Because I mean, yeah, it worked. It worked in this instance. We did get an extra 30 points to the upside. However, if you didn't get out of that position, now it's looking like the price is going to crash, and we probably might get a retest of this 490 level. But if we break that 490 level, we can definitely see some more downside. You don't want to be longing the tops of breakout areas because technically that's a breakout. You don't want to be longing stuff like that. Breakouts only work enough for you to continuously do it. So you'll trust it enough so when they do it again and break down, you'll become a liquidity donation to the market. So
My gosh, these these bears. Oh my gosh, they are so weak. My goodness.
I know. I know, man. I know.
It's just so
I
sad
know,
to
man.
watch.
I know.
Ah,
I know, bro.
they're so
I know.
weak. Ah, that's funny.
Uh,
Oh my gosh. Ah, too funny. Bro, couldn't even take it to
fully developing them.
the.
Oh crap! You know what I could have done? That's what I could have done. Actually, no. I can just delete that. Well, I guess I could. I could just leave the timing, like what time it works, so we can kind of track that. We can track that. We can track to see what time stuff tends to work out. Entry time. Okay, so obviously, long, short. You can have our entry. We can have the high. Yo, man, these Bears are just fucking weak, man. It's hard to watch, man. That shit is hard to watch.
It is hard to watch. Buying
It's
off
like
the 50 would have been golden this whole freaking time. Buying off the 50. Mhm. It is very, extremely hard to watch.
You see what Gameway talk about? He likes a sherm that shorts, not the sherm that takes long. You keep shorting, there won't be no threat. That was cute. That was cute, Gameway. That was cute. So keep making me money and it won't be no threat. That was cute.
He a fan, he a fan, he a
He
fan.
says I like this. Like I said, man, we've evolved to being bullish bears, man. We just understand that bears just don't win in this market no more. Don't win. Nah. Nah.
I'm stop playing on the losing
So,
team. Stop playing on the losing team, bro. I'm about to be on the winners in the winner circle. I don't care. Don't care. What
is
is
your
it?
boy gonna get 100 points again? Say Drake. Says, hey Sherm, I hear you like to go short. I'm trying to short a bullish market.
Say sure. I hear you like for sure.
Yeah, bear, he's a bear, he's a bear. He's a bear, he's a bear, he's a bear.
Freaky ass bear, he love getting clapped. Freaky ass bear, he love getting clapped. Hey, 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 for your life. At this rate, Alfred's right. This mess could hit 600.
69 Fib God. Yeah, that's just moved it up to 600. I was like, dude, it's just gonna keep going, and I'm gonna be a part of that. God damn it, I'm gonna be a part of it. Bears crying right now in that fetal position that Smith was talking about the other day, yesterday. That fetal position. It's like, how we gonna feed our cubs? The Bears, the Bulls came back with a vengeance. See, the Bulls like, oh, y'all thought it was sweet. Oh, what? Y'all thought it was sweet to take down the market when we wasn't here on 4th of July. We didn't like that. So they came back and they showed the Bears, like, nah, y'all thought y'all had it. Y'all thought it was sweet over here. Y'all thought it was sweet to take the market down on 4th of July. They swept that liquidity and said, thanks for the better price. And they just ran off with it, man. Just ran with it. I mean, price is still trending up, man. You don't want to short it. I mean, we look on the higher time frame, price is still trending. which sucks. The Bears can't no fun. Yeah, gain weight. Yeah. I mean, have you hugged one of your bear friends today, gain weight, and said it's okay? I mean, at this point, you should just tell your friends that are bears, like, yo, yeah, you might as well just transfer all y'all money into my account because I'm gonna get it anyway. Y'all short in this damn market. I'm gonna get it anyway. You might as well transfer it to my account. No text backs. So it ain't first no more. Yeah, you're right, Tom. Ain't no love for bears in these streets, yo. Gang weight lost all his friends.
Yo, that's wild. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that bullshit. They got that
That's funny.
what's that meme with he got the mask smiling but he crying underneath.
Yo, that's crazy, man. That's so crazy. Oh man, honestly, like an old version, my young and naive bear version, I would have blew like 10 accounts. I would have blew 10 accounts already. I ain't gonna lie. I would have blew them because I would have been shorting this shit. Like, yo, why is it not short? I would have shorted this, yo. Oh man, I would have shorted this damn thing, and I know I would have. I'm just so good. I'm just so glad that I just learned along the way not to just short stuff like when the market is just disregarded. Well, we all know who. If you have a neighbor and they're no longer your neighbor, we all know they shorted the market. But man, dude, I really want to like before the end of this year, before the elections, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can kind of withdraw something out of my 401k because I already know that shit looks so nice. I'm gonna see if I can just take it. It's like, you know what, I really don't need this anymore, or not need it, but I don't need y'all to manage it anymore because I know that once the elections is over, this election year is over, all this green is gonna turn red. I just know it, and I'm gonna see if I can try to get something out of my 401k. Like, just no, give me my money. Like, give me that shit. So I'm gonna look into that because I know this shit's gonna turn fucking red once we know who our next president is. I already know it will. Shit. Yo, they really blocked you, game weight. They seriously blocked you? Yo, bears are stubborn. We don't want to hear your like. We ain't trying to hear your bullish thesis for real. Like, we ain't trying to hear none of that. Like, we ain't trying to hear none of that shit. He says wants to take it out, and then again at tax time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm gonna have to talk to somebody about that because I just know that my 401k is looking nice. I know it is. I know it's looking nice right now. But that shit's gonna go straight to hell once the new president comes in, man. Yeah, I don't know if y'all guys seen it, but Biden is already talking about he may drop out. So they may. I mean, honestly, I really don't know who they will have to replace Biden for real. Like, I really don't know because if Biden was the best person that they had to go up against Trump in the first place, dude, you're not getting like who do they have better than Biden? Who? I mean, the only person that could ensure a victory for the Democrats would be Michelle Obama. I believe that's the only person that they have in their arsenal is Michelle Obama. Anybody other than that would not beat Trump. So I don't know. And then the way that the Democrats have been handling retaining power, it's like y'all read like a psychology book and think that the masses are stupid, or okay, let's just be honest. Before all this information with the internet became available, they was getting away with some of the craziest shit because of how naturally the mind responds in certain situations. Now that this information is available, now that like it's so obvious what you're doing, so we're not stupid. So why are you doing that? But I mean, they're doing it anyway, and at every turn, everything that they're doing is backfiring against them. Like you've given Trump so much promo over the news with this case. Like y'all keep throwing bullshit ass cases at him. These cases won't even get him knocked out the presidency or eligibility. You're just giving him promo. You're just giving him. He doesn't have to go on a campaign trail for real. Who doesn't talk about the Trump case? What they wanted to do was have the narrative to say that he's a convict. Dude, we're in 2024. Who doesn't love the bad boy? Who isn't a convict? I mean, that shit doesn't matter anymore. The voters that you're trying to appease are trying to say, oh yeah, Trump's a convict, blah 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 blah. Dude, those are the same people that will vote for a convict. It's more relatable. It's like, oh, one of our presidents is a convict. I'm voting for him. And so it's like, dude, it's like, what the fuck are you doing? But I mean, I don't know. That's just me. If it was me trying to destroy Trump, it would have been more effective and strategic instead of actually giving him free pump promo and basically a red carpet to the White House. If that's not what you want, as you know, the Democratic Party. But I mean, like I said, it's kind of stupid what they're doing. Mm. It's crazy that that's true, Alfred. That's crazy that that's true. It's really what gets these presidents and politicians into the White House is they like to call us the minority, but we all know that obviously we are not the minority because if they need our vote to get in the office, then nah, we're not the minority. Uh, and yes, yeah, I mean we all saw the clip with Hillary Clinton talking about she put hot sauce in her purse. Like, bitch, why the fuck are you putting hot sauce in your purse for? Like seriously, like seriously, you think we're that stupid? Seriously? The fuck you putting hot sauce in your purse for? like, and who actually does that? Who has hot sauce in their purse for real? It's stupid. You said high blood people carry hot sauce. That's the first time I'm ever hearing that one, Alfred. And if that's the case, then okay. But we all know what Hillary Clinton was trying to do. She was trying to relate to the black voters, kind of like what that New York Democrat says that black people don't know how to use computers. And she actually said that shit.
Yo, seriously.
Yeah, I thought that was so fucking hilarious. Yeah, she said black people don't know how to use computers.
Wow.
TV. But them intrusive, impulsive thoughts come out because you know you play that stupid game trying to pander, and then your real thoughts come out. Oh, the inner city kids don't even know what a computer is. Like seriously? Yeah, that is funny. Where did you get that from? Who doesn't know what a fucking computer is nowadays, Joe? Who does it? That's crazy. Oh, that's so funny. Of course, of course. Yeah, it is pure ignorance, man. That's why it's funny. I mean, politics nowadays, I don't understand why. Well, okay, I can understand why people get emotionally involved with politics. Like I said, I try not to be on nobody's side. It don't matter who the president is. I'm still gonna thrive because nobody has control over my failure and success except me. So it doesn't even really matter who the president is for real. But the economy, on the other hand, yeah, I guess it does matter when it comes to the economy, I guess. Yeah, I hate that victim mindset as well, JC. Uh, and like I said, I before all this internet stuff, I had that mindset before. I mean, like I said, I've always had that rebellious mindset. I just can't blame an invisible boogeyman and said that he's the source of all my problems. I've always had the mindset that it's always me. It's my fault. Like I can sit here and say, oh, it's somebody else's fault that I didn't get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and do what I needed to do to actually improve myself and be where I want to be in society. Because I mean, a lot of people are just comfortable being a victim. I mean, they're comfortable being there. So I mean, and they'll use every excuse to stay there. But yeah, honestly, I don't hang out with people that with that victim mindset, that welfare mindset. I grew up around it, and I see where it gets people. Yeah, I just see it, and I was like, you know what? That'll never be me. I went back home, saw everything was the same, saw the same people, the people that was the man in high school, still living in that high school era, where they were the man that was on the football, basketball team. They got all the attention. Obviously, the teachers are going to help them because they're athletes, obviously. So, and then the ones that didn't go to college and stayed home, still thinking they're the man. I went back home and saw them. I was like, damn, bro, damn. You don't want nothing better for your life? I mean, your story ended when high school, when you graduated high school. That's where your story ended at. That's crazy. But some people like being there. And instead of taking accountability and saying, you know what, let me get off my ass, let me get up, let me crack open a book. Well, let me figure out what I want to do first, and let me follow the people that is actually where I want to be at in life. Do exactly what they did, try to understand why they're doing it, and once I get more comfortable in that position, put my own spin to it. I mean, it's so easy to be successful nowadays. That's why I don't have sympathy for anybody that's not successful. It's so like, dude, it's you, and you have to accept that. I mean, where I came from, where I am now, from where I came from, I like if anybody knew who I was back in the day, they would have never thought that, oh wow, you're here? This is what you do? Because statistically, I'm not supposed to be here, but I wasn't going to be where I was statistically supposed to be at. So I did what I needed to do. I sacrificed a lot, and now I'm in a situation where all that sacrifice paid off. So that victim mentality, yeah, I have no sympathy for none of it because I had every excuse to be a victim and I chose not to be. Yo, that's so crazy, yo. That's crazy. You're not gonna hit the. You know what? You know what? NQ. He did all that pushing just for you to not hit my target. Ah, uh, uh. Yeah, I agree with that, Alfred. That's exactly what it is, man. That's like I said, I see it all the time. I see it all the time, man. But I will say that being accountable for your actions, I mean, that initially it hurts if you don't have your ego in check. If you don't have your ego in check, you have to answer a few questions. Why am I not where I want to be at? That's a hard question because your ego tells you 24/7 that you the shit, that everybody is living in your world and you're the only real person in this universe, but everybody else is fake. That's what your ego tells a lot of, well, not your ego, but a lot of people's ego tells them that the world revolves around them. For whatever reason, even though they don't contribute nothing to society, I hear a lot of people talking about you're just a character in my story. Like, for real? Like, what do you contribute to the world for real? You just get on YouTube and consume content, and then once you finally go out, it's yeah, everybody's a character in my world. Like seriously, but a lot of people have that mindset, man, and it'll be mostly those people once they realize that damn, like can't pay my bill, okay, they can't pay their bills, they don't have nothing in life, and when that question is like, damn.
Yo, you wanna know how regarded these bulls are? I literally bought the top at the previous high, stayed in it, and set these targets to like 595, 601, 608. Like, and here we are approaching them. That's wild. I'm almost done with this passing this account. It's 50. It's 50K. Trying to be funded by Monday, baby. Can we get much higher? So high. So high. Sure. So high. I need to stop playing around and take some of this off. Hey, 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 2 ticks. They missed my by 2 ticks. I moved it up. Don't do me like that. Of course. Come on, NQ. Just do it for your boy. Do it for gain weight. If anything, do it for gain weight, NQ. He wants 600. I know he does. What about 580? He coming for my stop. No. I think I'm about. Okay. I'm about to say. I was about to say if this thing looks like any inkling that it wants to drop, I'm gonna close it out and I'll just get the last however much money, $600, whatever it is, that I need to make to pass. Cause it's 3K, right? 3K to pass. He said, "I'll leave." He said, "It's only 3K. You get that every day." I am in the minis. I am in the minis. Come on, bruh. 96.75, baby. What's up? Yeah, Gateway, you need to share that with your boys. I don't I don't want to be a. I said I don't want to be a bear no more. Let's go, baby. First TP hit. Don't drop here. Don't drop here. I'm three. Hey, I'm 300 away, bro. The oh, it hit six. Run it. Oh, a tick. Stop. That's my target. Tick. A tick. A tick. A tick, bro. Nah, just for that, you gonna go up some more just for that NQ. Just for that NQ. I mean, oh come on, NQ. Dang, boy, up 120 points, 130 almost. Don't tell me you're gonna drop it here. Nah, nah. I'm so close to passing this. I might as well. Uh, I'm $100. I'm like $100 away from passing. If she just push up just a couple more points. They buying Nvidia, Meta, going in right now, going in for sure. And Nvidia is Nvidia is down surprisingly. They're down $1. The market's still. I think Meta something with Meta. Yeah, Meta's up 4%. I don't know what happened. I don't know what. Yeah, I did see a notification. I don't know. I do not know. Can we get much more, baby? I just need like oh right there. Ah, I passed. I hit it. I hit it. I closed it out. Once it crossed 3K, I was like, F this. I thought I was going to get caught on slippage, which I kind of did, but I'm still over 3K. All right, I got to go. I got to go eat. I skipped out. Just, I was like, hold on, let me stay here because it's about to go. I literally longed the previous top. This has to be studied. I got tired of losing on shorts and said, all right, F it. This will be studied later on. I'm gonna go back and watch the footage. All right, y'all. Pass. What happened? I'm listening. That's it. Yeah. No more shorting. Yeah, just got this MFF account, passed it, and we'll be funded by Monday, baby. Let this lock in. That was a hard fought 3K because I was going against the grain, trying to be cute. short. Look at all these struggles. Yeah, I'm gonna take I'll take screenshots and put it in my in the Discord in the charts. It's a struggle. But then I said F it. Literally long the top. I did not care. Not not any don't do that though, everybody. With me, I just didn't care. Yeah, but alright, y'all, I gotta go grab this food real quick before they close. Alright, later.